Hello, it's Draven, and let's customize a glitter mouse today. So here's the mouse. We're going to get started by disassembling the parts, which is very simple. We're just removing the top part of the mouse, like so. Alright, now we have that removed. So we're going to go to sanding, and we're just sanding it to get the shine off. That way we have a nice, even surface so we can go ahead and apply our first layer of primer. Alright, everything looks good. We've sanded it, washed it, and dried the top pad of that mouse. Now I'm mixing up my primer because it has been sitting for a while. This primer I brought from Crystalac. I'll include the link in the description. I'm just mixing and pouring it here. That way I'm ready to go ahead and apply it to that layer of my mouse. And as you can see here, I'm just going to work putting down that base coat. This primer paint is pretty thick, so I only have to paint it one time, and then I'm ready to go ahead to that next step. And this is what the next step looks like here. Alright, so these are the colors I'm going to be using for my watermelon mouse, of course. Green, pink, and white. I got these from Walmart. So here I'm just pouring it into my paint palette and getting it prepped. Alright, everything is prepped, so I'm just gonna let this next section play and speed it up as I paint the mouse the basic watermelon colors. Alrighty, so my paint has dried and I'm going to go ahead and glitter it with Crystalac glitter glue. And I'm just applying it in thin layers here using my flat paintbrush, and I'm just going to sprinkle that glitter on. going on. I have everything glittered. I'm gonna let it dry for 2 hours. Apply a top coat of that glitter glue. Once that dries, I'm going to apply a coat of UV resin, as you see here. I'm going to sand it, rinse it, apply another coat, sand it, rinse it, and apply the decals that you see here. Apply resin, put it under that UV lamp, bam, and then one more sanding, one more coat, and we have the final product.